Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Microsoft Store not working after reset. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Wsreset. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Windows Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Store Apps, click Run the Troubleshooter. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Type Store. Click Advanced Options. Click Reset. Fourth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy second command from description and paste it. Type Exit. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Check Install Windows and keep personal files and apps. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.